What's going on, guys? Zujo here, coming at you guys with a brand new video. In this video today, guys, we're going to be working on another N54. Finally, we're going to be getting some content for Erwin's build as we put it back together. So what we're going to be doing is, as you guys remember, Erwin went with the On3T4 kit. So it comes with the T4 V-band, but we got Ali the wizard here with the welding skills. He's going to actually try to get us this T4 flange onto his V-band manifold. Because if you guys want to see, we got his turbo over here. We got it back from the polishing, and it looks so good, guys.
Okay, this is what we can do. T51 mod, 68, billet wheel.
So it's a AGP turbo, guys, 68, journal bearing with the T51 mod with the billet wheel. Disgusting, guys. If you follow me on Instagram, I posted what his engine is going to be looking like, but it's going to be looking really good, guys. So we got my old N54 here that I seized a while ago, guys, and we're actually going to be getting the stock twins off of it and getting his manifold on there and putting the turbo on to see how the fitment's going to be. So it's going to be really good, guys.
We're going to get it all mocked up, guys. Hopefully Ali can get the fitment just right, because as you guys know, with the bigger T4 turbos, especially going into the 68, 70 millimeter area, the space is going to be very conflicted between the strut tower and the valve cover. So we're trying to basically design the best fitment so we don't get too close to that valve cover, we don't burn up too many of those gaskets, and
try to keep it under the hood too, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. So it's a 68, so it shouldn't be too hard for the fitment, but once again, guys, it is quite a big turbo. It doesn't look like it, but it is quite a big turbo. You see this thing in person, guys, it's huge. So Ali got it set up over here. We got the engine stand, got all the welding equipment.
It also has the bigger 0.96 AR housing.
0.96 AR housing.
Housing is a little bit bigger, which will need a tighter fit too.
I forgot to mention, guys, that we got to get the transmission off, so that's what we're battling right now.
And the reason it's hard is because the motor seized, so we couldn't spin it over to unbolt the torque converter. Wait. Lift it up. Lift the back up. It's gotta come up. Hold it. I gotta pry. We'll go up. Keep doing it.
Want me to help you, or should I do it?
Give me that part. Oh, pull it up.
Give him a hand.
Pull that in. Okay.
As you guys can see, the torque converter is actually stuck to the motor.
We gotta get these bolts off.
Why? You could just leave it on, or do you need to take that off?
No, we have to take it off to bolt it up to the engine stand.
Oh, I see.
So we gotta take off this. Fucking shit. We can probably do it. We gotta wait, guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a bolt, one of the transmission bolts, inside, and then we're gonna get the pry bar, and we're gonna try and turn it over one by one. If it'll go. The motor seized, so I don't know how hard this will be. Maybe you wanna open the spark plug holes and put some WD inside each of the cylinders?
Okay, I'll go get some. Okay, so we're putting some WD-40 in because it helps us when we're trying to turn over the engine. Hopefully it'll help.
You don't have anything we could turn the crank with?
Yeah, here's the bar. We're gonna use the bar. And he's gonna put a bolt in, and he's gonna use it to try to pry it open.
Nice. Feel the bolt, yeah?
Keep going.
After we put the WD-40, as you guys saw, it was turning nice and easy. And it gives us accessibility to those bolts back there. Erwin's just currently getting them off.
Good.
We got Ali on crowbar duty.
Good?
Yeah. Two more left, guys. Yeah, you let the WD-40 sit for 5-10 minutes. It'll soak down and get those rings nice and wet, and it'll get the cylinder walls all lubricated, and it'll slide. WD-40 is basically just diesel. So if you guys got diesel lying around, put some diesel in there too. It'll be the same. Look right there.
Cameraman.
I like this POV right now.
You like that, eh?
Okay, pull it off.
That's how he grabs it. There you go.
There's oil in it. Don't turn it like that. Just hold it. Actually, this side is fine down. Don't turn that over. Lots of oil in there. So yeah, now we're just gonna take the flywheel off and put the engine on this thing. Wait.
Yeah, don't use your back.
Wait. Ready? Set. Grab it up.
I'm lifting with my fingers.
It's okay. It's okay. 1, 2, go. Watch out. Watch your brakes. Watch your brakes. Okay, ready? 1. Go turn the G's with it. Push it up. Fingers crossed. It's it. Push it. Push it. Wait. Turn it. Turn it. Turn it.
Okay, the lock is behind you.
But turn it. Line it up. Line it up first. Turn it.
Wait, it's not all the way in.
It's not.
Push more.
Push
That's the first one.
Push. Wait. Go up. Go up, Ali. Up. Okay. That's too much.
No.
Get the lock. Get the lock. Turn it.
Alright guys, so as you saw, we just got the engine onto the jack stand. Really cool to see this engine up there in the garage, guys. Next to this baby over here, we got the old baby over here.
Scared the shit out of me. I thought something fucked.
Little walk around of it. Now I can start working on it, guys. I got some couple ideas what I want to do with it, but we'll just see financially if it's possible. But damn. Watch out, Ali. Damn.
Fucking juice.
You guys have a brake cleaner.
Okay, so it could sit flat. Then we're gonna line it up, and we're gonna tack the engine, and then bring it back to the last welding station. It's okay. We'll do that.
Good catch. Good catch.
Yeah, we're gonna do it all. But if you do want to know, the reason we did that, and notch was in the way, so we just got this clear.
Level, so you could put the flange.
Yeah, so when the flange goes on, we could just have it on, and then it's still not going to be the shape of the flange, but after we're done, I'll pour it out with a fucking pencil grinder to match the fucking...
Yeah, that's what you were saying earlier.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mocking up the turbo. Ali's just getting the welder warmed up, and we're gonna tack on the flange.
Don't step on that.
We're not gonna fully weld it right now. We're just gonna tack it on there. We did a couple measurements with the tape with my setup to see if it would touch the top of the hood or to see if it would touch the side of the strut tower. And then over here we were checking to make sure it's not too close to the manifold, not to the manifold, to the actual valve cover. So that should have, Erwin's just adjusting it right now.
That's right. right now we're just gonna do a stitch, and then once it's good, everything's all right, then we'll go out and do the full weld.
Guys, it looks really good. Really good job, Ali.
I'd kiss it, but I'll burn my lips. But yeah, so the inside, when we're about to get turbo ready, we're just gonna port these out with the pencil grinder to match the inside of the flange. So we get good flow, no restriction.
It's gonna be just like factory.
Yeah. That was the only issue.
Factory, because it's more like it's like the DOC manifold, because the DOC manifold comes with a T4 flange instead of the V band. So looks like a DOC kit, guys.
This is 2-in-1, the V band combined into the flange.
I know, that's sick.
Right.
You can see it's really tight, guys, but there is clearance.
When we put the gaskets in, it's gonna push it out a little bit too.
Yeah, and of course you're gonna make we're gonna put a shield there, and his valve cover is not gonna be plastic anymore.
It is very high.
Why is that? If anything, we could.
I know it's a seized engine, guys, but
If anything, you think we could shorten
put a top mount single turbo kit on there and it looks amazing.
It's going down.
Wow. There's my build over here, guys. And then you got Erwin's 68 over here. Erwin thinks the 68 looks small, but look at that, guys. And then look at this. You're telling me my turbo... Yo, that thing looks puny compared to that.
Honestly, they look like the same shit.
But there's Ali's weld, guys, with the V-band to the T4 flange. As he says, we still have to port the inside, make it all smooth and flush, but we just got it all fitted up so that when he puts it in his car, it's one less thing to do. So, yo, put that right back on my car.
That's so high, bro.
I don't even have it on. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to like, comment, subscribe. It's been Dujo, guys. Lots more videos are going to be coming soon with this 1,000 horsepower N54. See you guys soon. It's been Dujo. I'm out. Peace.